Yo, what is going on, everybody? It's TG here. Thought I'd bring you guys another Apple video, a little update, because I have added a little bit to my position on Apple. We're going to go over and discuss why. Before I start this video, though, if you guys want, we have a free Discord. Come and check it out. Would love to chat with you guys. Also, subscribe if you want. And also, I have a Patreon link if you want to support this channel. It would mean a ton to me. Link in the description below. But let's talk about Apple and why I think Apple is a really good long-term pick here, especially with its current valuations. So, as you can see, Apple has been down a little bit today and has struggled recently. The stock has not done too well in the past month, down about 5% and down a little bit more from highs of $157 just a couple months ago, falling about 10%. So it's had about a 10% correction from its highs. And the reason I really like Apple is, one, it's Apple. It's the biggest and best company in the world. It is continuing to make money. Breaking it down, if we actually look at Apple's last earnings quarter, just insane. Earnings per share growing huge year over year. Revenue up 36% year over year. And then if you actually break down each and every one of them, it's crazy. You have iPhone revenue up about 50% year over year. The services, which I really like because that's huge profit margins for Apple, 33%. The other products such as the watch and the AirPods up 40% year over year. MacBook 16%. iPad up 12%. And gross margins coming in at 43.3%, beating estimates. So this is a company that's growing extremely fast, beating expectations, and making a ton of profit. If you actually look in that last earnings quarter, how much they did 21.74 billion in profit. Now, another thing as well, PE, it's in the 27, almost about 28, which is about a fair price for Apple. But after the earnings quarter, this PE is going to drop down, making Apple even more attractive at these levels. So I'm waiting. I want to see Apple in the 130s again to pick up some more. I sold a lot of puts on Apple. These are some covered calls that I wrote just to hedge a little bit. We're already up a nice 164 on that. But as you guys can clearly see, we're up nicely on the puts that we wrote on Apple. That's our strategy. Instead of just buying shares, we just sell leap puts on Apple. And if we get assigned the shares, like for instance these January 170s, we're up big on them. If we get assigned the shares, okay, we're fine with that. Or we can always roll it out later on. But this is a way where I don't have to buy calls and risk my options expiring worthless. Worst case scenario is I get exercised the shares, but I get paid a nice premium to buy those shares. For example, what I did last week, I sold the September 16th, 2022 put for 155 strike, and I got paid 25.2. So you would subtract 25 from 155. That's your break-even price. So my break-even price is 130 on Apple. So again, it's just a really good way to be able to pick up shares cheaper and get paid to. And again, if it's above 155 by September, which I think it will be, then I just got paid $2,500 to sit and wait, which is a pretty good % return on investment as well for what I'm having to put up for it. So again, I really like this. We're up a little bit on it right now, up $200 on it. We're going to add another one, hopefully, if Apple does drop into the 130s again. My buying power has been moving up and down. I'm not sure why. I trimmed some of my BABA, but with the spreads, it wrecks your buying power. So not exactly sure how that's going to work out. But again, I really like Apple here. And Apple's honestly not even up that much. In the 1 year, up 14. Year to date, up 9.6. You compare that with the S&P. S&P is up 17 year to date and up 23 in the 1 year. So Apple's actually lagging behind significantly, the indexes. And I think that this is a company that you just buy and hold. You can also do things like selling covered calls like I do. And if all works out according to plan, we'll make about $200 from this because it's for October 15th, which is this Friday, 147 strike. I don't think that's going to happen because of the fact we're sitting at 142 right now. Just way to get paid, way to take advantage of, when the stock goes up, because it doesn't have there's not much volatility. You're not going to see these massive swings. Maybe at earnings time or an iCar release or an Apple event, one of those times, yeah. But again, you're also going to get paid for that because implied volatility is going to go up. So, bottom line, hold Apple stock. I wouldn't trade it. I would just hold it, honestly. You can trade things like selling covered calls or selling cash secured puts on it if you want. That's always good, but trying to time Apple, it's hard. And if you look at the trend of Apple, it just kind of always goes up. This has been a winner for a very long time now, and again, it's up off about 10% off highs. It seems like a really good time to start loading up. I really want to see down another 1% for me to get in on it. I know it's not much, but that's just the way I am, and I do think we're going to see another red day pretty soon in the market. And again, if it is, we'll go ahead and sell that put, and on the up days, we'll sell the covered calls as well. But yeah, this is a company I really like, and I think that's going to do very, very well over these next couple of years as they continue just to, buy back shares, have earnings per share growth, revenue growth, and all their other sectors growing at a fast rate as well. So yeah, I've talked about Apple in a lot of videos and why I really like it, but it's an ecosystem. Once you own one Apple product, you probably own another one, and these are proven stats as well. That most people who own an Apple product retain. They keep using Apple, and they also buy more Apple products. They go to school or work, they're going to use their MacBook. They're going on runs and working out. They're using their AirPods, their Apple Watch. People like their iPads. Even the industry sector, the services sector, like the App Store, makes an absolute fortune, and it's a great free cash flow driver as well. So yeah, it's a great company. It's the greatest company of all time, and I think it's going to stay that way for a while as they continue to just grow and make so much money. So get in on it, get a piece on it if you want. I know I am, but my money in my mouth is, as you guys can clearly see. Got 6 puts sold, 6 covered calls as well, and yeah, excited to hold this for a while and hope to make some good money on it. I really think I will. So anyways, guys, you have a wonderful day. Enjoy your day. Again, remember to hit that subscribe button if you want, and check out the Discord and the Patreon as well. Take it easy, guys. Have a wonderful day. Bye.